portfolio. This year portfolio was over 3 days. The first day we invited school children from all over Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, and we had workshops for them. Workshops in product design, jewelry design, and just let the students immerse themselves in the creativity that Pearl Academy is.
This workshop was primarily about photojournalism and blogging. The idea was to make the students understand the basics of blogging and how to use photographs into the content part. We also tried to educate them how to monetize their blogs, how to get money out of it, because that's the primary thing. In our workshop with Canon, we had few cameras available for the students, so they could go to the venue, click the photos around and share it with the other students.
Gamification basically deals with taking cues from games like rewards, points, leveling up, the kind of having the spirit of competitiveness and infusing all this with typical components of life.
It's called fashion styling and image design. So it is basically to do with styling, how to create fashionable image, be it for a magazine, be it for a public appearance.
All these students are the young minds. So when they pass out and if they have an interaction with students who are already studying fashion styling, so they'll also get to know that how is it that they could implement them in their day-to-day lives.
The workshop jewelry design that students can come and learn to make jewelry themselves, basically costume jewelry to be done at the workshop. The students were introduced about the jewelry design as a course. They were told about how jewelry design has possibilities within India and outside India.
Product design is really a field where you take design thinking as a process to create innovative ideas and solutions. And the most important thing is to look at what people really want and need and then try and create a solution that works best for them and best for business.
Especially with young minds and young kids, it's always interesting to be around them because they have so many new interesting ideas and concepts that they visualize and they want to see it getting transformed into products, that it's always so uplifting.
The workshop is really nice. Everything has been done up very well.
As soon as I entered here, I was mesmerized. And right now, I'm pretty darn captivated by everything that I've seen here.
This is the upcoming career we can opt for, like jewelry designing, shoe designing.
Very creative ideas out there.
It was kind of interesting and fascinating.